Hello, let's unboxing MyGlamm 3 rupees makeup kit. I don't had much options there. I had options some lipsticks, lip tints, nail paint, nail conditioner and some face mask etc. I don't like makeup much. So I just selected the skincare products and the hair care product. Here I ordered only 3 types of products in bulk. This is the Superfoods Hair Damage Repair Conditioner from Thailand. I ordered 4 bottles which is cost around 399 rupees per piece. Here it is, a MyGlamm Superfood Cocoa Glow Face Mask from Africa. I received a broken package but that's okay. In this it has 4 packets. Each sachet has 9 gram of face mask powder and it costs about 349 per packet. I ordered 2. And lastly, presenting Manish Malhotra's sandalwood and saffron sheet mask, which I ordered 4 pieces. Each piece cost 249.